Babe, so you finally married Chief Metu?
Yes, no. As if you don't know he's a rich man.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Babe, this man is very old, though.
He's old, he's rich, and when he finally dies, who is going to inherit all his properties? He wouldn't last another 2 years.
10 years later.
Yeah, touchdown, I
was late. I think we need to go and see my doctor again. No? I've not been able to close my eyes since yesterday. Second time this week. And I'm just lying to you. But you know, person not going to wake up again.
Babe, Chief Metu is still alive, oh.
Oh, he's already 90 now. He's already 90. There is no way he will last another 1 year. And Chief Metu is on his way to Dubai now, correct?
Sudden plane crash flying from Lagos to Dubai. Flight 24F833.
That's my husband's flight!
I feel like that's in the
All passengers are dead. Sorry. There is whatsoever. Chief Metu
I got broads in Atlanta. She's the only one surviving. Credit cards in the scammers. Even the bank. Legacies.
This man is still alive.
Have you seen him of recent? He will not last another 1 month.
Madam, your house is on fire.
My house?
And your husband is inside. Your husband is
inside. My husband is inside.
Current situation in Lekki, a house caught fire, and we still do not know the cause. But currently, we are still checking to see if there's any survivors.
Somebody come and wet! I need my tissue!
Well, I've been single for the past 10 years, but I'm ready to settle down again.
Well, Chief Metu said...
No. Call me Metu.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
What are you doing with that old man? He has money and he wants to marry me. With all his money, don't worry. He'll soon die.
Don't play, else you would learn.
Destiny.
How many hours do you spend on phone as a child of God? Some of you can spend 5 hours. Some can spend 3 hours on phone in a day. Some people, they watch nonsense, they send nonsense, other people on phone.
The time you are using on phone to do WhatsApp or Facebook, if you can use that time for God too, you will know Him.
We must
5 signs of a useless man. Baby, have you eaten? What did you eat? Go and eat. Eat for me. Try and eat.
Why are you gay?
Oh boy! Hey, come. Where the wrong go? I just a person they call me. Person they call you. And why are you sleeping by this time of the day? I've been wait for customer. You don't wait for customer. Okay, fine. Which one you don't sell?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Okay. Customer never come. I never sell anything. No. So you wait make customer come instead of you to go meet customer. Okay, wait. Not be when person die now go get customer. No be so now. Listen to me. The ethics of this business, this company, you are not supposed to wait for people to come. You are supposed to be the one to go and buy them.
What?
Well, no where person die. If you know where person die, go advertise our business. Take this thing. Use your eye. Check anywhere they are doing burial, wedding, anything ceremony. Put this thing there. Even if 10 person go, 2 will feel good this hour in neighbor shop, then 2 go come our side. Okay, I fit even as they go say see person for us strangle them. Sometimes we don't sell markets. Hey, okay. Blessing don't die. Hey, blood of Jesus. Now my son. Hey, Yehuda. Hey, don't talk that guy.
Hey! Which kind of nonsense be that one now?
I beg, no even try that pattern with me. Person don't go rest again.
Now the way where you like that, you be like who don't die.
And you, when they sleep, you sleep like normal human being, like person who won't live. You don't understand that coffee, they say, hey, yeah, you just sleep anyhow. Make I no sleep. I beg na rest at the rest. Make nobody disturb me. Because
go and do what I ask you to do.
Okay, no worries.
Make sure you, when you do we go sell market.
And they come, man, find location, I'll shut down everywhere now. Watch out.
Shut down.
Oga Sabinus, Oga Sabinus, Oga Sabinus, Oga Sabinus, Oga Sabinus, you too mumu, you too sabio, Oga Sabinus, Oga Sabinus.
Hello, how are you? My friend, what's happening?
Good afternoon.
Naim?
Yes, Naim that.
Wow, how are you?
He's the one.
Well done, artist now.
Yeah, how are you now?
Fine, well done.
That's fine. What did you do here?
I came to see this beautiful angel.
Oh, Billy. Bad guy.
Yes.
Look your back. Your back.
Who get them?
Now my shop now.
Esprit de corps.
You dey sell coffee?
No, they just employ me. That guy where they sell for opposite.
Okay.
Now me where I employ yesterday.
I'm my sales girl now.
Yeah, he's my boss.
What you got the fire here now?
My guy they complain say nobody don't die since 2 days. So now I tell her say people go come. He say make I go outside go kill people. I just dey find people like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
But this period they work just slow.
What? You know what do you do?
There's 4 days now we never sell anything.
If now we two go join head together, they work.
I for say we join hand though, but you don't late now. I don't get now.
You don't get already? Wow, congrats.
Yes,
No wahala. My friend, so how do I get to know you? What's the problem?
Oga, position your neck well. I know they like make noise. In the afternoon be this.
What?
Jesus!
That's where you comport yourself also. So you want yara, now yara.
Your baby don't tell you, Oga.
You know say me too, I can't keep person. Why you want kill me?
Baby, yeah, just keep your neck.
But I dey talk to you, I no reply.
I'll reply you later.
Now woman want kill man oh. Boss, hello?
Keep your neck.
I'll shout to talk to him.
Calm down,
Boss,
don't shout.
boss, good afternoon. How's the family?
Now the family I want feed now. Since 2 days my children never chop.
And if I no shout here, man, no she cut
She dey lucky. Woman they pet you even at death.
Charge your phone with the latest item, please start 200 power bank, so you can order from phone. It cannot break. It is item P Star 200. It is very strong, durable, and it lasts long, sir.
Oh, the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy.
If you're in a relationship and you caught me cheating, it means you never loved me. Because love is blind.
Why are you gay?
Precious.
God have mercy upon us.
Don't run! Murife! Murife, don't run! Hey! Murife, don't run! Murife, don't run! Hey!
Funny P. Shebi, I don't warn you, make you know they carry woman come this compound again.
Oga landlord, I no carry any woman come compound now.
Who be that guy wey dey your back?
Oga landlord, na my guy be this.
Abi if I see Korodu girls, I no go know am again.
What type of play? Now my guy be this.
Excuse me, young lady. Please leave my compound. I said you should leave my compound.
Your papa the key boys, they are lost your time.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I don't know what I do TikTok, so they don't restrict my account. For normal video I they post, I don't follow they shake me show. So I beg now my backup account with this. I don't tag them for this post. Help me just to follow them. A few moments from now, there I go they post. Because the way they tell even I got that saying people they report them. So I beg, help me follow this backup account. Just get them up to 5K. Then move start. I beg. We've gone to beg you. Thank you very much.
So how much is everything?
It's 14,800.
It isn't 335. They debit me 35.
Dissolve!
They debit me 78.
Jesus!
Wait, I pay for it for myself.
Here's your bill.
Dissolve! 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 You go dey trust woman. You go dey trust woman. Woman, you never see anything.
Who they here? But I beg, give me Pepsi.
How many?
One.
You no go buy for your woman.
For who?
That fine lady will stand beside you.
What type of play is
Stop this thing and buy something for this fine lady, Jare. My baby girl, which one you want? We'll get mineral, we'll get Pepsi, we'll get Fanta, we'll go check Milo. Which one you want? Hi. See fine shape. God finish work for Africa. See what you lay you carry the waka.
My blood is not flowing, nigga. My blood is not flowing, nigga. Hey.